New fuel rod, $30. This is a godsend really, to be honest with you. You can just leave anything you want charging in your bag and then just get a new one for free. Well, obviously you've already paid $30 for that anyway, but free like recharges if you like, and it's instantaneous. So I think that's really good. We keep the camera in our bags ever so often, like when we're having lunch or something, just charging up to make sure it's as charged as it possibly can. Phones, obviously we've got the GoPros too, so it's really handy and highly recommended this. You keep looking down there, you'll see Jackie and Dad. Sit down and keep looking down there.
Oh no, Jackie. What? It's gonna get wet.
Last time we was with Carl and Zoe, we went past it and it didn't even get us wet.
I know.
It got cow. Is it cow?
Yeah.
Not cow. And it didn't get us wet and it got cow. Didn't get Sophia, me, or you, or Zoe.
I know. You think it's going to get us this time?
Yes.
Yeah. You think we're going to get really wet?
No.
No?
I think it won't get us.
Oh good. I hope it doesn't.
What?
I hope it doesn't.
I hope it does as well. If it does, Daddy, take your shoes on this ride.
Yeah, when we get in, take them off and put them in the middle. When you sit down, you put them in the middle bit, okay?
Do you take them off on this ride?
Yeah, take them off and put them in the middle and they'll keep dry.
That's
right?
why everybody, some people...
Well, that's why some people got flip-flops on, so it doesn't matter if they get wet, does it? They'll get wet.
I want to keep them down.
Keep them down then.
Please don't put me down backwards.
Just if water comes over the side, it's going to get your feet there, isn't it? It's in the air. It's in the air, they might do that bad. We'll get wet. Zach? You think we're gonna? Yeah?
Oh yes! Yes! We got that side wet there.
Yeah, I don't want to talk too soon, mate. We might get wet yet.
We don't want to get soaked.
Oh. See every stuff there, look. There. It's up top of there. There, look. Right from there. Good lad. You might get some air. Keep your feet up, I think, mate. Oh, not that bad. That's them up there. So we didn't get that wet that time, and you want to go on it again?
Yeah.
So if we get soaked now, I will not be happy. Okay, we got a little bit wet. We didn't get massively wet that time, did we?
No, not on the fountain.
So if we go on it now and we get soaked, I won't be happy chappy.
We won't go on Everest.
Well, we might have to go on Everest to try and get dry. So hope I don't get too wet this time.
So again with me.
Yeah, you can go on Everest with Daddy once and Mummy once, alright? Watch us get drenched.
We've tried all different seats, but it doesn't make any difference.
Someone gets soaked.
It will get wet.
I think you're going to get wet.
Do you think us? Yeah, it will be a total
I hope
surprise.
so.
As I wasn't coming on. This is us.
Where will we get drenched?
Better not do.
Last time we was that way I'm reading. This
We'll get wet now, won't we?
I suppose if you push your back, it'll stop it going down. No, just run down the back.
Dad, please don't get me wet because my magic bag already got wet.
Right, we're gonna get wet here.
I hope we go.
It's gonna come from behind.
What?
It's gonna come up behind.
Here we go.
Are you ready?
Right behind us.
Right down the back of your bum. Ready? Right down the back of your bum.
That's mine. That's the lot. I won't get any more now.
Oh! Now it got wet.
That's fine, mate.
Oh, it's going through my top.
You still want to be in there in this bit.
What?
You still want to be in that bit and this bit.
Oh no, don't turn it around.
Oh, Zach ain't looking good, mate.
So it's going to spin, ain't it? It's going to spin.
No.
Oh, we're alright, Zach, we're fine. It's Grandma and Grandad that's getting it. Oh no! Who wasn't fun?
I am definitely not happy because it just went all of it's going in my shoe. Please don't get. Oh no.
Alright. Where's Mummy down that side now, look.
Lucky we didn't get that one.
Mummy's down that side now.
Now I know why they put it back in.
Can we go in there again?
No.
Mum and half a rail. Look this way, you see. Hi, Mum. Alright, this is where all the pesky people on the bridge get you as well.
We've got the elephants now. Yeah, we've got the elephants that might make us wet.
Did we get wet?
So,
Yeah. Did I say we'd get soaked that time?
yeah.
Yeah.
Are you not happy now? Yeah. Are you happy?
Oh yeah, I'm loving it.
See,
Love it? Yeah, yeah, loving it,
Are you
yeah.
not?
Really happy.
Not thinking that.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear to the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Please show right.
Oh, that got my belly. You get yours. So what did he see up here then?
Magic Kingdom.
Where?
Disney there, look. You see Tower of Terror over there. And Epcot. You see Epcot. The big ball. The what? Yeah, put me out round it, look. Yeah. Oh, that's really fast, isn't it? Okay. Oh. Whoa. Oh, it's even faster at the front. It is, isn't it? Oh, how far front row? Yeah. Oh boy. How far front row?
Thank you so much, Kate. Here, Harambe, folks, be safe to win today. We just saw Haley Ford. Let's go.
Ciao friends, my name is Bree and I'm going to be your safari guide here today through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. There is an animal reference guide up at the top that will tell you the list of animals that you might see here today. Over on the right you can see the okapi. They were founded in 1901 and they're often confused to be a part of the zebra family, and that's because of the stripes on their hind legs, but they're actually part of the giraffe family, and you can tell because of the shape of their ears, their long neck, and their nose that they do resemble a giraffe. But we're lucky because we can see a hippo just out of the water on the right.
See the hippo there?
On the right you can see the Ankole cattle. Their horns from tip to tip are 5 to 6 feet long, and they have a whole honeycomb structure stuck in their horns that allows them to have blood circulate through, which regulates their body temperature. And there's some more Patterson eland coming towards us on the right. Also you can see some white-bearded wildebeest. They have the most densely packed herd out of all the mammals besides the human, and they can travel up to about 500 to 1,000 miles in a single year. They do make the vocalization new, G and U, and they're also referenced as new as well. They sleep in shifts to protect the herd from any predators that might be after them. Here on the left you can see the giraffe. Giraffe are the tallest animals in the world, getting up to about 16 to 20 feet tall. This is a Maasai giraffe, and the way you can tell is because of the messy, unorganized. And although they have the longer necks than we do, they do have the same amount of vertebrae.
Pepper, what did you see? Oh, have they all gone?
White in Afrikaans means wide, and it is talking about their wider mouth than the black rhino. They weigh up to about 5,000 pounds, which makes them much larger than the black rhino as well. They can run up to about 35 miles per hour, and a group of them is called a crash. Zebra stripes are just like fingerprints, female and the male lion over here on the left. Their vision does get 5 times better at night, and their roar can be heard up to 6 miles away. Also, if you would like to see a show, there is the Festival of Lion King, which happens every hour on top of the hour. The next show is at 4 p.m. and the last show is at 7 p.m. and it is one of the #1 Disney shows out of all Disney properties. So I do really recommend going and checking that out. Also, we have night safaris that start at sunset and go up until 8:30 tonight. And if you've never experienced a night safari, I would really recommend it. It's pretty cool. And no 2 safaris are ever the same. The animals do make it that way.
What animals did you see?
Cheetah, elephant, giraffe, lion,
Giraffe, lion.
and lions. And
Pepper, did you see a hippopotamus? Yes, you did.
did you see some?
Can you say hippopotamus?
I've seen giraffe.
She just woke up as we got on there, so
It was after.
that's perfect. Yeah,
Giraffe. It was after.
that will do fine. So we're just off the safari. Harper woke up just as we got on there, so she was a little bit tired throughout, but she enjoyed seeing the animals. We are now heading back through to towards the exit. We're going to stop at a few shops on the way past. I think we're going to head back to the resort, maybe go in the pool for a little bit, and then go to downtown Disney, then go to Disney Springs for a little while. Not really sure what we're doing for tea tonight. We had Tusker House this morning. We haven't had any dinner, have we? We haven't had any dinner. Alex is always starving, so that's not unusual, but so we're probably going to have to get something soon, but whether we'll get something back at the resort or whether we'll get something at Disney Springs, I'm not entirely sure yet. But I'm so greedy. It's got busier, hasn't it, as the day's gone on in here, don't you think? We've done quite a lot. Well, we've done Expedition Everest, we've done quite a few times to be honest. And all the times that we've been on it, only once has Zach had his eyes open. It looks like he's been asleep. Although on that last one that he said to you, didn't he? He came off and he was like, Mum, I had my eyes open, didn't he? So there might be 2 actually. But the other ones, when he had his eyes closed, it just looked like he was asleep. We managed to get on that quite a few times today. We've been to see no, not Lion King, that's where all these people are coming from. We've been to see Nemo, kids loved Nemo. Harper got a little bit freaked out when Darla came out, but she liked to see it all anyway. What else have we been on today?
Where's that other one?
Been on Cali. Alex and Zach went on Cali. It made me laugh because they come off the first time and they weren't that wet, and then so they went back on it again, and it's always the case the second time you go on it, if you come off the first time not too wet, the second time you get drenched, and they got drenched and they had to get changed. We swapped our fuel rod once here. That's really good value, that is excellent value. It charges up the camera, it charges up the phone, it charges up pretty much anything you've got. Just leave it in the bag, charging up anything, and just replace it when it's empty. It's amazing. Weather is nice, it's not too hot, it's not too humid. It is still hot, don't get me wrong, but it's bearable. It's totally bearable. I can see Flick, that's what he's called, didn't he? Oh, what did you say about them bananas just up there?
The bananas on a stick?
Yeah.
Look like nutty turds.
Nutty turds. But they do that. Putting it politely, yeah. There's Flick, can you see him? Also went on a few things in Danoland, didn't we? Zach couldn't go on Primeval Well, so he got given a little voucher to have one go on one of the stalls in there. We went on that. What was that? What's that dinosaur called that we went on? Triceratops. Was it a Triceratops?
Not sure what.
I can't remember. The spinny one that's exactly like Dumbo and Aladdin. We went on that a few times.
Hester and Chester's.
In Hester and Chester's, yeah, in that bit there. They were just walk-ons. Queues have not been too bad at all, and we've really utilised the fast pass too. Which the one that safari that we've just come off, that was a fast pass, so that was pretty quick and easy to get on and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna head out now.
Triceratops spin.
And initially go back to the resort and just see what we feel like there.